Right, so I'm in Oxford, it's not far from where I live. I'm not there yet though. So we're off to get another project. Time for something a little bit different. This one's not for me, well, a little bit for me. I've wanted this car since I can remember what a car was. To be honest, yeah, always wanted one of these. When I was coming up to driving, I had every brochure for these, planned exactly what I was going to do, and then I suppose naturally my phone said that's too dangerous, you're not getting that. So I had a Fiesta instead. Anyway, I wrote that off. So we're off to get a new project. It's not for me, it's for someone else. For Mrs. Piggy. And she doesn't know about this. So I've taken the day off work, but she thinks I've gone window cleaning with my good friend Noah. He's kind of covering for me there. So we're going to go pick this up, take it back to Mickey Kellett's. We're going to put it in a little storage container there, all nice and snug, and we're going to work on it. So as you probably might have just heard then, we're near Gatwick. The reason we're near Gatwick is to pick the new project up. Now, I've also seemed to have managed to get a cat as well, because I'm going to have to get him down. But basically, it's a Mini with a cat. A very friendly cat. He's very friendly. He is. Don't you? He's a very friendly cat. So, let's flip this round, give you a quick view around the Mini. So here's the Mini. It's been a project for some chat for about 2 years, as you can see. Still a bit of work to do, but it's, generally speaking, is quite solid. There's a little bit of dentistry, as in getting rid of some dents to happen, and still a little bit of welding to just finish up some issues. It seems to set new set of tyres, but it's got some nice brakes in there, some nice suspension, some trick bits, and A+ series motor in there. So, a fiberglass front end, which is why we've strapped it down. So let's take her home. Mrs. Piggy doesn't know a thing. Right, let's get you off. Come on, Putty Tat. The Gatwick cat. Bye. We're here. We're just going to get it unloaded now, put it under cover, get it somewhere nice and dry, and that's where it'll stay for a couple of weeks until we get a little container in and start really working on it. So this is project present started, present for Mrs. Piggy. She doesn't know about obviously this time, and thank you to Mickey Kellett's for sponsoring this project particularly. So thank you very much to them, and this is the end of that video. Thanks for watching, subscribe to see more. And I'm sure, and I promise you, there will be more of this Mini. So, 6 months ago, we pushed this Mini in here by Mickey Kellett's, and well, other than lifting the cover once just to have a look inside and show a mate, it's sat here doing nothing. Broke my foot, had other problems, other projects, other things happening, and it's really busy here at Mickey's. Basically, it needs to go in that container over there, but that container needs to come over here. So I'm out of the way, not bothering anyone, can go inside. Really it should have spent winter in there, ironically, now it's the summer, but it's going to keep nice and safe and dry, easy place to work on, rather than on the gravel for once. So, time to tidy up. Right, think I need a drink. That's going to be moved with forklift. But let's see how it's fared sitting outside for 6 months, shall we? I don't suppose it's fared all that well, to be honest. Don't even remember that. That's gonna need sorting. Oh, and that. Bod repairs are us. Oh, and there. Okay, so boot floor on the left needs some work by the look of it. Ooh. That needs some work. 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 I think it needs some work. Okay, well, poor thing. Let's get it inside. Right, so we were at the Mini again. We've set up a couple of cameras, one there, at the back, one up there. Set a little recorder here, and we're going to get Mrs. Piggy, and I'm just going to show it off as a project at Mickey Kellett. She loves Mini, so I'll just say I'm going to show her a Mini and see when the penny drops.
I'm a bit excited.
Okay, so it's all set up in there. I'm going to put you in my pocket, and we'll go and get the app. Cool, isn't it? Can I sit in it? It's a bit mucky inside, it's a bit gross. There you go. Seat's not fixed.
It's not attached.
Cool though, isn't it?
Very
It's got the Revo wheels on it that you like.
cool.
Cool though, isn't it?
Very cool. That's painful to change gear with.
Sorry?
That's painful to change gear with.
Yeah, well, got a fiberglass fender for it. I think he wants to fit this engine in his boy's Mini.
Oh, okay.
Your present. Did I get you?
I had a suspicion.
Oh.
But no, I'm genuinely sure. My only suspicion was when you said if you wear the onesie, I'll buy you a Mini, and I was like, why would you offer that?
Oh, without a Mini to offer.
Yeah, exactly. So I had a suspicion. But then as the day was going on today, I was like, that's such a stupid thing to think.
Doesn't smell very nice, does it?
So is this the 1,000 subscriber thing deal with the wife that I then have to help you?
Well, the idea was to have it completely finished for this weekend.
And then you broke your foot.
I've had it for about 6-7 months.
I know, you said you got mine 6 months ago, which is another thing that we go hang on.
Yeah, and this was it. So the idea was to have it quite finished, and then I had another mad idea about it. Got that in place, and then this has only been done in the last few weeks. It's been sat in outside for the whole winter. And then the kind of suggestion was that, oh, actually we should try and do it together. So I probably can't do it on my own anyway. So long term or short term, depending on when we plan to it, but it'll be a long term project, not a problem. So the other kind of idea is obviously you can choose whatever it looks like.
Revo wheels.
It needs a new interior. So that's something.
Can we do some mini tests this year? Even if it's just taking parts out, like a seat.
We certainly won't be able to tape this there, I don't think, but I'll sort it out mechanically, and you sort out the aesthetics, and we can put our funds together and have an awesome little car. Which actually technically means I've got 2 presents for you, because this engine will be going in that Mini.
Oh, so you had to get me an engine.
I have an engine for you at home. It's been sat in my shed for 5 months. It's sat there.
Like I would ever know.
Well, yeah, I have to keep covering it back over because there's like this huge engine and gearbox in the shed. I need to get it over here really and store it somewhere.